If you're seeing a fix itch.io error 400 message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to troubleshoot the issue and get itch.io loading properly again. Error 400 usually means the request your browser is sending isn't being accepted, and that can happen for a few simple reasons, like a bad page load, a broken URL, a VPN issue, or cached browser data. So before you assume the site is down forever, let's go through the fixes step by step. First, refresh the page on itch.io. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload is enough to reconnect properly. If that doesn't work, wait a few minutes and try again, because the server itself may be having a brief problem. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the page request to fail, so make sure you're connected properly and try loading another website to confirm your network is working. After that, look closely at the URL. If the address is typed incorrectly, missing part of the link, or contains extra characters, itch.io may return a 400 error. Re-enter the address carefully, or go back to the home page and navigate from there. Another thing to try is disabling your VPN or proxy. Some websites block or misread requests coming from VPN services, and that can trigger this error. Turn it off temporarily, then refresh the page and see if the site loads. If the error still appears, clear your browser cache. Old or corrupted cached files can interfere with how itch.io loads pages, especially if the site has changed recently. You can usually do this from your browser settings by clearing cached images and files, then reopening the page. If possible, you can also try opening itch.io in an incognito or private window to see whether the issue is caused by stored browser data. If none of those steps work, try a different browser or device. That can help you figure out whether the problem is with itch.io itself or with your browser setup. In many cases, one of these simple fixes will solve the error quickly and get you back to browsing, downloading, or uploading on itch.io without any hassle. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.